patient. I judged him. Should have just been his nurse.
Sometimes it's really hard not to judge. In there. You mind if we make a rain check on dinner tonight?
Sure.
Hey there. Everything okay?
No. No, I just had a long talk with my dad, and it turns out he has class 3 heart failure from cardiomyopathy.
Oh, man. Very sorry to hear that.
Yeah, he said he wasn't going to tell me. Said he was afraid.
So this would be the beginning of session trap move.
Came into my life, and no, if he
Let's take a
doesn't,
screenshot of that.
what he do to me. Said he worries he's getting
Okay.
issues with.
Otherwise, we can just see price do a variation on the theme here.
Sick as he is,
Breakout traders.
tell me.
Bracket this. You remember the text in the group chat? Let me go back to the minute 15 chart and explain. Market makers had liquidity resting beneath yesterday's low of the day price points. And what happened here is they picked up all those orders. Let me remove this arrow. They picked up all those orders and returned back into the range. This was to punish anyone who was a lower level short holder. Alright. Now we're just looking for a break of that structure and for price to target the low of the week from the last time the market was open. I can't say last week because there were a lot of holidays in between. Took a lot of scalp trades. Let me switch this off.
No, it's okay.
So it's liquidity resting beneath this low here.
Here's number.
Okay. So we're looking for price to take out that old anchor point low W formation. So this would be level 1 of drop in here. This is level 1 consolidation. Okay. Then after level 1 consolidation, we look to see level 2 of drop, which is more or less a straightaway trade. Okay. So why was my initial anticipation that price is going to come back up here? Let me bring the crosshair up from here to here. I spoke about it in the VN from last night. This is where liquidity is resting, primarily because it is the initial high of the day. This price point over here, initial high of the day. Okay, no need to draw lines and everything. Okay, just I'm putting the annotations there so you can see what I'm speaking about. Okay, there's liquidity resting there above that high of the day price points, initial high of the day price points. It was at midday, so we can call it high of the day. Market maker has some business resting up there. What the market maker can do is they can take out that level and just bring price back into a consolidation and consolidate all the way till tomorrow, and we only see this drop move tomorrow afternoon. Let me remove minute 1 trend lines, the minute 1 rectangle. Actually, yeah, let me remove it, and minute 1 arrowed lines. A comment. Okay. So this is our level 1 consolidation in here. Same as yesterday, initial high of the day. Okay. Price points has already been manipulated. Mid London, 12:45 as we had seen here. Okay, 12:45, 1 o'clock candle close. Price shifted away from the price point, so it can be unnecessary for the market maker to go back up there and pick up orders. That's why at the second variation on a theme. Otherwise, what we're looking for is for price to work within this consolidation range and then drop. Another thing that you need to consider, the pattern W level 1, V, level 2, V, level 3. Consolidation is level 3 behavior. This is why the second variation on the theme looks appealing to me as a trader. So let me just remove the lipstick. It's really distracting. Got a triple top high. Picked up the liquidity. So yeah, it's just a consolidation for now. That's all I'm gonna call it. The structure in here, let me show you. That's why I had the blue box annotated around. Okay, I don't know, I can't duplicate the line. Let me have another horizontal annotation to mark the low of the consolidation. So now let's speak about ICT. ICT would call these relative equal highs. So there's liquidity resting above these relative equal highs on the minute 1 time frame here. And on the minute 15 time frame, there is liquidity resting above those relative equal highs that make up that price point, the 21,270 price point, or around about 21,270. So this is level 3 behavior, consolidation behavior. Do you remember what I said on the minute 5? This is your anchor point, low W. This is your V1. This is your V2. This is level 3 in here. That's why you're getting that sideways chop. However, liquidity is resting above here. So that's why we had that first variation on a theme. This one. Go back in the video. This one. Okay? So we're waiting for the market maker to take out that liquidity prior to us seeing price delivery downwards. However, that could be redundant because market makers already dealt with this liquidity during the London session, mid-London. Alright, I'll stop this video at 10 minutes, so I'll be able to post it in the group. I'm having myself a cup of coffee, sitting on the couch, watching some TV. I should be zoned in. I am. Have to take a sip. Coffee is getting cold. Okay. Seems like we're getting a straightaway drop. Second variation. This is the target down here. Okay. This is the target down here. Let's wait and see what happens. It is currently 16:40 South African time. We are in the New York session open candle on the minute 15 chart, which is this red candle here. Okay. So my anticipation, I have anticipation 1, take out liquidity drop, or anticipation 2, straightaway drop. Go back in the video. Okay. So we just need to see on the lower time frames as to how the market maker treats this price points, the low of this consolidation, and then we can make decisions based on that. Okay. So this candle takes out this swing low. The space between this candle and that candle is a fair value gap. I don't know if the price is still going to go back into it. Let's see. However, I wouldn't call this a fair value gap. You know why? Look at the wicks of the candles. There isn't necessarily a gap in between the candles. Okay, it's just that small area there. So it's inefficient in a way to call it a gap, which means I should wait for my first anticipation to let price drive upwards as a beginning of session trap move. Okay, right now they're snagging everyone who has it correct and they want to sell in line with the market makers with this 2-minute structure in here. One candle down, one candle up. 3-minute structure now engulfing. Okay, and then take out the highs at the top there, relative equal highs, and then draw into the sell side liquidity resting beneath the low of the week. Can I say low of the month? in December. Yeah, target the low of the month of December. Okay, which is this price point here. Take care of yourself. This is only education and it is in no way financial advice. Be sure to take care of your capital and manage risk accordingly. Have a great trading day, trading afternoon for South Africans. Yalla Habibi. Goodbye.